Okay guys, welcome to very busy Hanoi, Vietnam. This is in the old quarter and this is back in 2016. We went out and toured around the city, just walking. Very cool place, very busy, roads are nuts. And then we stopped at a very cool restaurant on the side of the road and had an amazing meal. We could have ate inside, but we chose to sit outside and just watch the world go by. It was a good decision. Don't know what the restaurant looked like inside. I know it was 2 levels, but it didn't matter. We were sitting outside and the food was spectacular. I don't think we had a bad meal in Vietnam. That's for sure. Food in Vietnam is amazing. As is the traffic. Half our food has arrived. Spicy squid and the morning glory. It's just like pak pak bung in Thai. They're very, very similar anyway. But for the rest, 2 more plates. Just sit back and enjoy the view. Check out this squid. I don't know how they do this. Cool, huh? Crispy pork. Thank you. Cool. Wow. I think we're eating a lot tonight. Start with here, fried noodles, and lots of vegetables in it. Crispy pork, morning glory, and the squid, the spicy squid, that's really spicy. And of course, gotta have beverage. Try this pork. This is pork belly, of course. It is beautiful, yeah. Look at that, huh? It's not crunchy skin, though. But really good. Got peanuts, huh?
We have to eat about 5 hours. We have a lot of food.
Oh no, that's garlic. It's all garlic. Fried garlic. Noodles have shrimp, huh?
Seafood.
Oh, seafood. Not only vegetables. Quite the meal, huh? Look at that. Mm-hmm. Almost did it, 99%. That was a lot of food. That was delicious. Let me tell you, food around here is freaking delicious. Been there, done that.